Morning, guys. Panning this side from nexusindicator.com, and I just wanted to showcase a new feature we have added into the Nexus Chart Trader. Uh, in fact, we have added a lot of features because the last feature update video was 2 months ago, and since then we have added a lot of features, and it's just been so busy that I haven't been able to upload a feature update video wherein I can showcase a feature which I've uploaded or added to the Nexus Chart Trader. But I wanted to showcase this new huge feature update compared to the other features which we have added. So I would be releasing more videos in terms of what features we have added recently. One of them is the gang mode inside the Nexus Chart Trader, which allows you to copy all your trades across all the accounts. Now, but this video is about the new DOM feature which we have added. So you can see on the chart on the right hand side, we have a DOM, integrated DOM into the Nexus Chart Trader. So if you are already using it or if you're planning to buy it, DOM feature is included into the Nexus Chart Trader, and you can simply bring up the DOM by clicking this button on the top right hand side of your chart. You have the Nexus Chart Trader applied, and it gives you an in-depth analysis about the DOM. And the DOM which we have created is pretty different from the usual DOM feature which you get inside NinjaTrader. So I'm just going to show you real quick how exactly the normal DOM looks like so that you can compare what exactly it is like. So this is the normal DOM which NinjaTrader offers. It comes into a separate window, doesn't come binded with the chart, but the way we have created it is the DOM itself is always binded into your chart, and you can directly place buy and sell orders through the DOM itself. And it's a really helpful feature, especially for micro scalpers, because I personally prefer micro scalping. And the way it is helpful is it really gives you an in-depth analysis about where the live orders are sitting so that you can plan your entries accordingly. And the DOM itself is, I would say, it's pretty advanced than the usual DOM indicators that I've used myself, because the way it is designed is that when you zoom in and zoom out, the DOM basically moves with the price. The price scale and the DOM is like always connected. So it doesn't matter where you're looking at the price. If you zoom in like completely, you would see the DOM expanding into all the price levels. And the more you zoom in, the more the granular level of DOM visibility you get. And the more you zoom out, the bigger picture you're able to see. You can see that on the chart over here. And inside the DOM itself, we have the imbalance meter as well, which shows what orders are more right now in the market. So right now the imbalance shows that the sell orders are more. That means the selling pressure is more in comparison to the buying pressure. And it's really helpful, like I said, for especially for micro scalping, because you can analyze where exactly are the heavy orders, and you can place a limit order directly from the DOM. And the best part is the DOM is integrated into Nexus Chart Trader, so you don't have to separately place a take profit order or anything. You can just configure your stepper values. Like for micro scalping, I usually go for 40 or 21 ticks, which is 5 or 10 points. And let's just say we want to sell here. So this is quantity. You want to sell here. This park this account. Let me just place a trade on a demo account. So let's say we want to place a sell order. It would right away place a sell order where you will click. So the DOM ladder actually always moves with the price. So you always have an option to sell above the market price and always buy below the market price, and you can place your limit orders accordingly. And another feature about the DOM is that you can actually adjust the DOM. So there are two options. Either you can let the DOM auto adjust as per your zoom level. So as you zoom in, zoom out, the DOM will adjust according to the price levels. And the more you zoom out, you can see the DOM is increasing the price gap between different levels. And you can see that at the bottom. So every row is like 200 points. So that is 50-point gaps between each DOM level. But if you zoom in, that decreases. So right now we have like 12 points of difference between the DOM levels. But you can also manually control, if you turn off the auto, you can actually manually control how much price gap do you want to see on the DOM itself. So I'm reducing, being at the same view, I'm reducing that price level. So I can see more granular order book in terms of where the price, the orders are placed. And it's really helpful, like I said, for micro scalping. So see, the imbalance over here was really high, and still the imbalance is right now. The sell orders are really stacked up, so that's why the market is pushing it down. But this is really helpful for if you're a micro scalper. And this feature is an update into the Nexus Chart Trader, so it's completely free if you're an existing customer, and if you're a new customer, it would be already included in the Nexus Chart Trader panel itself. And like I said, if you don't use the DOM, you can simply minimize it. But if you're a micro scalper or someone who do 10-15 points scalping, the DOM can really help you, make your entries more accurate, and at the same time have a analysis about the order book in the market, like where the orders are stacked and which way the market might be heading. Because if there are more sell orders, obviously the market is going to go down. If there are more buy orders, the market is going to go up. Now, nothing is 100% in the market, but still it gives you an execution edge, and that's what Nexus Chart Trader is all about, to give you an execution edge and to perform better than the rest of the retail traders and give you a better execution and better in-depth analysis about the market. I personally feel this feature is really great, and the way it stacks with the live price scale, so that you can see the DOM as well as the candles at the same time, it gives you a really good view about the market. So that was all about the DOM. In this video, I'll be releasing more feature updates videos in future. And there is gang mode. Like I said, this is a trade copier mode, wherein any trade placed on one account is replicated on all the other accounts. Let me show you real quick how that works. So let's say I select this template wherein my stop loss is 2 times the ATR and the take profit is 1:2. Okay, and I place a sell order here. So this order has been placed with my take profit and stop loss. And if I switch on to a different account, you would see all 3 accounts which were eligible for a copy got that order. And at the same time, if I move, it doesn't work like the traditional trade copier. I'm going to explain more about it in a later video. But now Nexus Chart Trader also includes trade copier, but it's not actually a trade copier. I'll explain in the next video why I say that. And at the same time, the DOM, which I think is a really great feature. So if you're someone who's been browsing the website and planning to buy, I think this feature really adds the value. And if you want to go for it, you can either go for a monthly subscription. Now we have a monthly subscription as well, which you can give you an idea and let you use the tool with a fraction of the cost. And if you ever want to upgrade to the lifetime, there is a lifetime option as well. Well, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like the new update. And if in case you have any suggestions or any feedbacks, please do leave a comment in the comment sections and like the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It motivates us to build more such features and add value to the products for you guys. Thank you so much, and hope you have a great day ahead.